Hello Major Singh, we welcome you to your alma mater Edge Academy today. We are really happy to have you with us.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm also very happy and I'm grateful that you have invited me and gave me a chance to come to the Edge Academy.
We'll be interacting with each other for some time so that a lot of students benefit from your experience, and the Edge Academy, has produced nearly 300 officers or in the process of becoming officers till now from all over the country. And certainly your message, our interaction is going to motivate them and help them.
First of all, sir, I must be thankful and I should give a big thank you to that you have established the Edge Academy in a Kota where the students come for preparation for their IIT and the NEET. And Kota is being a military station. There are a lot of wards of the service personnel who are residing in the Kota, and all of them are not able to their career in the IIT and the medical. So you have given them the second chance to join.
In fact, I would say it is the first chance. Armed forces should be the first priority, because unless our country is safe, nothing is possible. Do you agree?
Of course, sir, I agree. But you established the Edge Academy in the Kota. Yes. I would say your bold decision, where all students come preparation for the IIT.
Absolutely.
And it give a chance and prepare the young leader for the future, sir.
You had a very tough but a very illustrious journey. You joined army as Jawan, and today you are a major in the armed forces, and now you're going to fight in going to the tough terrain of Jammu and Kashmir. Can you just explain, क्या आप अपनी journey वहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक की बता सकते हैं? Journey continues always, so that lot of your students and our students and lot of people who love you will benefit a lot from this information.
So my journey is very simple. It's not big in my journey. It depends on your exposure and your experience. I belong to a village in Haryana, and my exposure was that much. People from my village were joining army as a Jawan. I also joined the army as a Jawan. I was not aware before joining the army that there is separate category for the officer and there is separate intake for the officer.
Yes.
I thought it's you just keep serving and you will become one day officer.
But only thing was to join the army.
Yes. That was the only my aim. I joined the army. Later on, I realized that there is a separate intake for the to become an officer in the army.
Yes.
And unfortunately, there was a chance that after being a Jawan in the army, you can become an officer. And being in Kota, and you already had established your Edge Academy.
I remember those days when you were preparing to become officer, और मेरे को पता है कि आपको मैं जैसे बताता था, जितना टास्क मिलता था उससे आप कई गुना उस पर मेहनत करते थे. सुबह को 4 बजे उठ के जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज होती थी, और खाली नॉट ओनली द प्रिपरेशन फॉर आर्म्ड फोर्सेस, उस टाइम पे आपने छुट्टी लिए बगैर भी अपनी यूनिट का काम जो होता था वो भी देखते थे, कंप्यूटर्स का, ऑफिस का, और जो भी जितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मिलती थी. मेरे को बिल्कुल क्लियरली याद है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत और आपकी वो जो डेडिकेशन और फोकस था, दैट इज एक्चुअली अमेजिंग, एंड दैट शुड बी एन आई ओपनर एंड ए इंस्पायरिंग फैक्ट फॉर लॉट ऑफ यंग स्टूडेंट्स. उनके लिए एक बहुत एक आई ओपनर और इंस्पायरिंग फैक्ट है.
Sir, I think job of an army officer is itself is a challenge, sir.
बिल्कुल.
And if you are not ready to accept the challenges, how can you become an officer?
बिल्कुल, absolutely.
I think whatever challenges I faced, and that gave me experience, and that made me more bold. And your academy has actually give it a streamline, how your challenges
you can overcome your challenges.
Bilkul.
And it is not only streamlining. There is a saying that आप घोड़े को पानी पिलाने तक ले जा सकते हो, but it is the horse which has to drink water. And actually you are the horse who really was focused to become officer. मेरे को बिल्कुल क्लियरली याद है, आपको उस वक्त सिर्फ अपने आप को आप विजुलाइज करते थे एज एन ऑफिसर, एंड योर एम वाज दैट माय फैमिली, दैट इज योर वाइफ एंड योर चिल्ड्रन, who were very small that time,
Sir.
that they should see you as an officer, and that was your a great motivation,
Sir.
and you work very hard,
Sir.
and you are still a kind of a role model for many people. Ki how a person from any background, coming from a village, from a normal background, not financially very strong, you studied in a normal school, not in a convent school or some big school, and in spite of everything, you have reached and achieved your goal and aim in life.
सर ऑफ कोर्स सर आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा सर कि आप घोड़े को पानी तक ले जा सकते हो, बट घोड़े को पानी तो खुद ही पीना पड़ेगा। बट घोड़े को यही पता नहीं कि पानी है कहाँ, then कैसे घोड़ा पानी पिएगा सर।
ओके, दैट इज़ वेरी नाइस, दैट इज़ वेरी नाइस। मैं आपसे अब आखिर में एक बात ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि आज के युवा जो हमारे देश के यूथ है, जो स्पेशली व्हाट वुड यू से in a very short, what is your message to them? How they should, yes, options आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं,
Sir.
पर what is your message to them?
So message for young lot is only that कि they should be dedicated, they should work hard, the way, the field in which they want they can go, but they should not compromise कि चलो ये नहीं हुआ तो ये हो जाएगा, इसमें तो हो ही जाएगा. It can't be happen. If you are preparing for the IIT and you think you can clear your NDA, you can't clear it. If you are you have to go for NDA, you have to prepare for NDA.
That means जैसे महाभारत में था कि अर्जुन ने अपना टारगेट बिल्कुल फिक्स रखा था,
Sir.
वो टारगेट हमें क्लियर होना चाहिए, और जैसे अर्जुन ने अपने गांडीव से निशाना लगाया था, आपका फोकस जो होना चाहिए वो बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
Only if your focus is clear, you
Then
can
you will be able to.
That's a wonderful message for all the youth,
Sir.
and I'm sure a lot of people will benefit out of it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Singh, Major Singh. For the reasons I'm not revealing your name because you are still serving, and we are grateful to have you here, and we'll continue to have you with us to inspire, motivate a lot of my students
Sir.
who are going to join armed forces.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.